Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make idli mix. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need urad dal, also known as black gram, and idli rice. A small amount of fenugreek seeds or methi is also vital for proper fermentation and a distinct flavor. The ideal ratio is 1 part urad dal to 2 parts idli rice. For example, if you use 1 cup of urad dal, you'll need 2 cups of idli rice. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time for soaking. Soak the urad dal and fenugreek seeds together in water for at least 4 hours or even overnight. In a separate bowl, soak the idli rice for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. After soaking, drain the water and grind the urad dal and fenugreek into a very smooth, fluffy batter. Then, grind the idli rice into a slightly coarser, yet still smooth consistency. Now, gently combine the ground urad dal and rice batters in a large bowl. Use your hand to mix them thoroughly for several minutes. This incorporates air, which is crucial for fluffy idlis. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt for every cup of urad dal you initially used. Cover the bowl and let the batter ferment in a warm spot for 8 to 12 hours, or until it doubles in volume and becomes light and airy. After successful fermentation, your idli batter is ready to use. Store any unused batter in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for approximately 3 to 5 days. When you're ready to make idlis, gently stir the batter without overmixing, as you want to preserve its airy texture. If the batter seems too thick, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of water to reach the perfect pouring consistency for your idli molds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.